imagine living without electricity?
You mean making fire out of woods?
Like, I can even last an hour with my Photoshop.
I can't sleep without an electric fan. Even in a cold weather, I still use it.
Without electricity, our generation is driven by technology, and our technology is driven by electricity, right? So you mean living without electricity? It's a no. It's a no for me.
It will be a real disaster.
Electricity remains as the universal source of energy. Starting to save energy does not have to be complicated nor expensive. There are several easy ways to reduce energy consumption. Take a look on some simple energy-saving habits. Open or use all the lights during day. Embrace natural light. Don't just walk away when you see others making electrical energy useless. Using all appliances at the same time. Limit the use of electronic appliances. Using aircon while door and windows are still open. Using appliances like aircon appropriately. Letting your charger still plugged after using. Don't leave your charger behind when not in use.
What will happen if we continue consuming more and more electricity?
It will increase carbon footprint. The primary environmental effect of energy overuse is an increase in your carbon footprint. If you keep devices plugged in and running when they're not in use, the result is an increase in electrical use and, consequently, a bump in the amount of greenhouse gases that enter the atmosphere. It will increase risk of climate change. Coal and natural gas supplied more than 2/3 of the energy. Each energy form contributes to total greenhouse gas emissions. Higher energy costs. A natural consequence of overusing energy is increased costs for you. This can come in the form of fuel and energy bills. You will be paying more without an appreciable return on your investment. You may also risk lowering the expected lifespan of appliances and other electronics.
Switch into energy-efficient living and sustainable lifestyle.
Consuming less energy will lessen the need for production. Then, it will lessen the carbon dioxide emissions that contribute to the climate change.
have the power to save electricity.